Hi guys! So today I am taking you through bread making process in Ghana, okay? So after I have added all the ingredients, I cover it and then take it for rolling. So let's enjoy this. So over here, the dough will be rolled in this machine till it is smooth, soft and bouncy. Yes. This man here starts work at 4 a.m., go for 1 hour break and then continues till 10 p.m. So at this point, he would check if the dough is ready, and you can see it was very, very ready. Yes, he really loves his work and works very hard. God bless you, sir. I am checking, and you can see my dough is ready. That's me and my beautiful sister-in-law. I don't even know what we were discussing, but I guess it's all about bread making. Love you, Ekuma. Yes, so you see our dough is ready, so we will proceed when we get home. Okay, so you can see some people are still kneading and making their bread rolls here, and this man is a genius. He really works hard. So once I'm done, I'll just paste a token for it, and then we are good to go, family. So making bread as a business in Ghana is not a child's play. You see, that's my second dough also ready. So when we got home, we worked on it, rolled, knit, and then allow it to rest and rise for about 5 hours, and then we will be baking. Okay, so here we are. So I'll be sharing with you bread recipes all through this month, so follow Tasty and Fresh for more. Okay, wash. You want to learn how to make beef foster bread? Subscribe to Tasty and Fresh. I'll give you the recipe. Okay, thank you guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so let's enjoy this smooth, fresh from oven bread. I know you love it. I will share the recipe soon. Okay, thank you guys. I love you. Bye bye. See ya.